How to enable game mode in Windows. There's a feature in Windows built specifically for gaming. It's on by default, and almost nobody knows what it actually does. Let's clear that up. Game mode tells Windows that the application in focus is a game and should be prioritized. In practice, it does two things. It stops Windows Update from installing drivers and restarting during play, and it reduces background activity so more processor time goes to the game. The result is less about raw frame rate and more about consistency, meaning fewer sudden stutters caused by something starting up behind your back. To check it, open Settings, go to Gaming, then Game Mode, and confirm the toggle is on. While you're there, look at the other pages. Captures controls background recording, which costs performance if left running. Game bar can be disabled entirely if you never use its overlay. On most systems, leaving game mode on is the right choice.